An open-type refrigeration compressor's motor and compressor are separate components that are connected to each other to transfer the rotational power. The coupling procedure is a critical process that ensures efficient and reliable operation and prevents damage to the equipment. Here are the key steps and considerations for connecting or coupling a compressor and a motor in an open-type refrigeration system. 1. Preparation. Cleanliness. Both the compressor and motor bases must be thoroughly clean and free of any nicks, burrs, or debris. This ensures a firm and level seating of the equipment. Shaft and bore inspection. Carefully inspect the shafts of both the compressor and the motor, as well as the bores, the holes in the coupling flanges. They must be free of any imperfections. Key and keyway fit. The keys, small metal pieces that prevent rotation between the shaft and the coupling, must fit snugly into their keyways on the shafts and the flange bores without any play or looseness. Seating test. It is a good practice to fit the coupling flange onto the shaft without the key to ensure it slides on smoothly and seats properly. Any high spots or irregularities on the shaft will be visible as shiny areas after a few light taps with a soft mallet. 2. Installation. Mounting the compressor and motor. The compressor is typically secured and doweled, a process of using pins to fix its position to its base first. Then, the motor is positioned and shimmed to achieve the correct alignment with the compressor. Coupling flange installation. The coupling flanges are installed onto their respective shafts. The fit should be snug, but not require excessive force. Alignment. This is the most critical step. The goal is to ensure that the motor and compressor shafts are perfectly aligned in 3 dimensions. Angular alignment. The shafts must be parallel and not at an angle to each other. This is checked by measuring the gap between the coupling faces at different points, e.g., 90 degrees apart. Parallel, offset. Alignment. The shafts must be on the same center line. This is checked by placing a straight edge across the coupling halves and verifying there is no offset. Coupling assembly. Once alignment is confirmed, the flexible coupling, center section, is installed between the 2 flanges. Coupling type. A flexible drive coupling is almost always used to connect the compressor and motor. This type of coupling is designed to accommodate minor misalignment and prevent the transmission of axial load, pushing or pulling forces along the shaft, to the compressor shaft, which is crucial for protecting the compressor's bearings and shaft seals. Manufacturer's guidelines. It's essential to follow the specific instructions provided by both the compressor manufacturer and the coupling manufacturer for checking and correcting any misalignment. 3. Final checks. Set screws. The set screws on the coupling hubs should be tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque to ensure a secure connection. Shaft seal. The life of the compressor's shaft seal is directly dependent on minimizing misalignment, so a final check of the alignment is crucial. Magnetic center. For sleeve-bearing motors, the magnetic center, the point where the rotor is magnetically balanced, must be correctly set to prevent premature bearing wear.